to be going over the steps to adjust your call park timeout duration. The first thing you're going to want to do is log in to the CSII Voice account manager. By default, your login may take you to the UC client, in which case you can just click on Go to Account Manager. Once you are logged into Account Manager, click on the Settings tab. On the Account Settings page, select Service, and then scroll down to where you see Call Parking Timeout under the PBX Features section. The time limit on call park timeout is 1 hour and is designated in seconds. The default is 180 seconds as shown here. Make the necessary change to your call park timeout and click Save, and your changes will take place shortly.